Hey, so how's it going, guys? Today I got something a little bit different for you. We're going to be doing a diesel purge on the OM606. So I got some LiquiMoly diesel purge. This stuff's awesome. As you can see, it's the strong medicine for sick diesels, cleans engine, caution poison. That's how you know it's really good. They just tell you straight up poison, nothing else. So what you do is you take off the send and return lines, which are right here. Unfortunately, they have a crimp connector, so I'm gonna have to actually cut those and find a hose clamp that fits. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the LiquiMoly in that container, stick the two lines in, and you just let it run. And I'm gonna use a clear container so that you guys can see what kind of crap it cleans out of the injection pump. So hopefully this makes my injectors that need a cleaning run more quietly, and it helps clean out some junk in the injector pump. The car's got 200,000 miles on it, so you could definitely use at least a little bit of cleanup in it right now. So I'm gonna just cut the lines and set it up, and then I'll get back. Alright, I finally got the thing hooked up. As you can see, it's now almost dark because these cars suck. I don't know if I've mentioned that, but don't ever buy one of these. This whole side of the engine bay, it's got nothing in it. It's wide open. This whole side, tons of stuff, no gap. Like, I can't get my hand in between that gap, and there's now a can of LiquiMoly, like, that's gonna sit in the back corner forever because I have to pull off all the underpans to get the can out. So, I'm gonna start her up. I wasn't able to use the clear container because I didn't have enough room. So, as you can see, there's a can down there. It's got the send and return lines in it, and I'm gonna start her up. You're supposed to vary the rev range, so I'm gonna like give it some gas and do stuff like that and let it drink the bottle. And I just lost one of my crimpers, it just dropped in the engine bay, so that's gone forever. But whatever, shitty car, don't buy one. To be honest with you, I think it might sound better already, which is kind of crazy. But you gotta let it drink the rest of the bottle. And they say you can drive around with the LiquiMoly in the car, but like, I'm not gonna do that. That's kind of, I don't have like a good place to put the bottle. I don't have the lines long enough. It just overall doesn't really work out for me to try and drive around with it. Alright guys, it's getting dark, but I'm pretty much done with the can. There's not much left, and I think it sounds better already. I mean, I don't know if you guys agree, but it sounds real smooth, especially at RPM. Like, That sounds really good. It hasn't sounded this smooth pretty much ever. So LiquiMoly gets another point in my book, for sure. I did to my other one, and it worked well, but this is more noticeable. I don't know if you guys could pick up from the beginning of the video to now, but this thing is running so good. I mean, it had like a little knock before, you got some injector pinging. Almost all that's gone. Like, this sounds like a good OM606 now. So I'm very happy with it. I have another can. Maybe I'll run it after I fish it out from there, but I'm gonna have to like jack this whole car up and pull off the underside protection panels just to get to that. And I don't really drive the car, so who knows when that'll happen. But anyways, LiquiMoly gets another thing in my book. So like, subscribe, stay tuned for more stuff. I got something pretty cool coming for the wagon that I got in the mail today. You can catch it on my Instagram, because I'm going to put a picture of that up. But that should be kind of cool, kind of funny. And yeah, so thanks for watching.